Put it up. Pull the head.
Not being very successful at this. Well, this one is definitely a male. He has tiny little pincers. Nothing compared to the ones that we have. See? This one male. Looks like. I didn't find out. That one, I think female. Yeah, that's a hole, right? That's the hole right there. Yeah. This one female. This one male. I think that's male. I'm curious what that's are. Male. This guy, I bet, is a male. No, that's a female. Wow, that's a big female. She was the top of the food chain. Another female. And a male. Equal gender representation. You know, whether
No
women...
fighting in the plate.
Do the males or females taste better?